I had been paralyzed for as long as I could remember, unable to move or work, and completely reliant on others. My friends, bless them, never left my side. When they heard about a man named Jesus who was healing the sick, they insisted on taking me to him. The crowd was enormous, filling the house and spilling out into the streets. There was no way through. But my friends were determined. They carried me up to the roof, removed some tiles, and lowered me down right in front of Jesus. I felt exposed and helpless, but then Jesus looked at me with a kindness I had never seen before. "Son, your sins are forgiven," he said. I was stunned. I came for healing, not forgiveness, but as he spoke, a peace settled over me. Some religious leaders grumbled about Jesus forgiving sins, but then he said, "Which is easier to say, 'Your sins are forgiven,' or to say, 'Get up and walk'?" Then he turned to me and said, "I tell you, get up, take your mat, and go home." For the first time in years, I felt strength return to my legs. I stood, picked up my mat, and walked out, praising God. The crowd was amazed, and so was I. It wasn't just my body that had been healed. It was my soul.